Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl. In this video, I'm going to be making a very simple recipe called garlic shrimp. So you definitely want to stay tuned. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, share the video with other people that want simple recipes, hit that like button, and also hit the notification bell. On that note, let's get to making this recipe right after this. All right, you're going to need dry oregano, dry parsley flakes, crushed red pepper, garlic and onion powder, salt and pepper, fresh chopped garlic, scallions for garnish, fresh peeled and deveined shrimp, and lemon. So now you're going to put your shrimp into a mixing bowl. Now you're going to start adding all the seasons I mentioned in the ingredients list. You're also going to need butter for this recipe. Right there, you just see me squeeze some lemon on it, and now I'm mixing everything together, just making sure all the seasoning is coating the shrimp. And while you're doing this, make sure you have your pan on the stove preheating. So now you're going to add cooking oil of your choice. Once the oil is hot, the pan is hot, you want to throw your shrimp in. Then take a pair of tongs and spread them out evenly. You know, make sure all the shrimp are touching the pan. Now I'm going in with my butter. And just remember, all the measurements will be in the ingredients list in the description below. So now here you see I'm flipping my shrimp. Just remember, shrimp don't take long to cook. If you overcook them, they're going to be a little bit rubbery. So pretty much once you start seeing a little bit of color around the edges, you can start flipping them. And the reason I put the butter in after I put the shrimp in, because I don't want to put the butter in when the pan is real hot, because the first thing that's going to happen is going to start burning the butter right away. And I don't want the butter to be brown. As you can see, I just added my fresh chopped garlic. But I add the shrimp and then I add the butter because that cools down the pan so the butter won't start burning as soon as I put it in there. And now from here, it's just about, just making sure all the shrimp are cooked and all your butter is melted. Scallions are optional. I'm just putting those in there. They are going to add flavor, but I'm just really putting it in there to get some color. And just to finish it off, I'm just going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese, just a little bit for a little bit more flavor. But that's optional. And so we're pretty much done. This is ready to serve. So like I said, a very simple, quick dish to make, but elegant dish. Serve it with some rice, serve it with some mashed potatoes. Even you could throw some linguine in there, some fettuccine. All right here I'm just squeezing some fresh squeezed lemon juice on it just to brighten it up. But yeah, so I just want to thank you for coming to the channel. In the description below, just let me know if any other recipes you want me to make. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And you can check me out on Facebook at Cooking and Grilling with Carl. You can join my group, and you can also check me out on Instagram at Cooking and Grilling with Carl. On that note, I say God bless, stay safe, and catch you on the next video. Peace.